I'm Sarah Barber. I'm from the Eastern Switzerland University of Applied Sciences. I'm going to tell you in this short video how WeDoWind can help you exploit the full value of your data. So it's quite well known that data preparation, or data wrangling as we call it, accounts for about 80% of the work of data scientists. What we want to do is help you stop wasting 80% of your time on data wrangling and start using 80% of your time for creating value and insights. So how do we do that? First of all, we connect you with open data, code, lecture material, information models, best practices and guidelines for using and publishing code and data. We provide you with opportunities to develop code and reference methods collaboratively or in competition with each other, to co-create information models and to work on best practices and guidelines collaboratively. And finally, we connect you with like-minded people. We do this in our WeDoWind ecosystem using our blueprint. The green boxes are showing the 4 different communities which come together on our new platform, and the purple boxes show the different portals we have. In the next video, I'm going to show you the new platform and how these communities come together on the platform. First of all, I'm just going to talk about which pain points we try to solve. So if you're a data user, you might be able to associate with some of these difficulties here, with your data being poorly described or logbooks not available or poorly documented. But also you might struggle to engage with or understand concepts related to information modeling or describing your data. So in our information modeling community, you can co-create, publish, learn about and use so-called semantic artifacts, which are machine actionable control vocabularies to describe content and also the relations between them. If you're a data analyst, you may be able to associate with some of these pain points. So having to always rewrite different code, working out what the best methods are, selling your methods to your customers, finding data sets to train and test and validate your models, where to find out what the state-of-the-art methods are, or even finding easy-to-use code libraries. So in our data and code users community, you can co-create code and best practices for data analysis. In our open data portal, you can access open data. In our knowledge and data sharing community, you can create, share, and compare methodologies. Also there, you can define and access industry-developed reference methods, and then you can access open code in the open code portal. If you're a data owner, you might have some of these difficulties. So accessing the best and applying the best methods. Even you may want to publish some data or code, but you don't really know the best way to do it, or you don't have the resources. Maybe you want to assess the quality of methods provided by external analysts. So what WeDoWind does is in the knowledge and data sharing community, you can publish sample data sets in return for running a so-called WeDoWind challenge. You can access guidelines for publishing and sharing code in our open source data and code community. And again, in the knowledge and data sharing community, you can define and access industry developed reference methods. And finally, maybe there's some other things you're struggling with, so even getting yourself noticed in the competitive job market, finding project partners. We have a job portal there, and the platform makes it quite easy to communicate with other people. Maybe you're trying to find staff or project partners. You can follow activity of people and then contact them, or even post openings. Maybe you want to provide, get more people to use your teaching resources or learn. You can browse the teaching material in the knowledge and data sharing community or add your own. Maybe you're trying to find use cases for your data sharing tools so you can interact with domain experts by asking questions. And then if you want to maybe you've got your own working group, you're trying to get more people involved, or you want people to even know about your existence, you can actually create a space for your own working group using our template. It can either be a space where you're actively working inside the platform, or you can just describe it and give a link to your platform. And then finally, maybe you have a larger community or organization where you want to bring together to exploit the full value of data kind of separately to WeDoWind, well, then we can help you do that using our template. So as a summary, WeDoWind helps you exploit the full value of your data by connecting you with open data, code, lecture material, information models, best practices and guidelines for using and publishing code and data. It provides you with the opportunities to develop code and reference methods collaboratively or in competition with each other, to co-create information models and to work on best practices and guidelines collaboratively. And finally, it's just a place for people to come together, learn about what everyone's doing, and connect with each other. If you want to actually see a demonstration of the new platform, then please watch part 2. Talk to you later. Bye.